Welcome back to a new lecture. In this lecture, let us talk about something different. So we need to talk about some important characters. We need to talk about some escape characters in strings. So this lecture is for escape characters and all the other important characters. So if I take an example of a string, so let me take a variable as my name and let me add string. So here I tried to add my own name, and if I try to print that, I can get the result easily. But have you ever thought we are trying to take string always a single character, that is I try to get my name only Shubham, or we have tried to take single lines. But what if I need to add multiple lines to my string? Let me try out. So here I take a string as my underscore string, and if I try to add long strings, all I have to do is long and then I need to add backslash. So once I do that, and if I enter now, I can add more characters to this long string. And here I can add some sample text, and if I also need one more line, all I have to do is use backslash again, and I can add more sample text. And once I'm satisfied, I don't want to add more lines, all I have to do is use the quotation to end my string, and that's done. And if I try to print this my string, now you can see I had multiple lines of string, but all are into same result. So I have wrote 3 lines of string, but I got same result as long, simple text, more simple text. So that was a single string line. But I wrote it into 3 lines. What if I need to get actual lines, that is 3 lines of string and then print it as 3 lines. So let me take another string and take it as another, and if I want to leave a line, all I have to do is use backslash and n. That means it will leave a line while printing. So I use another, then I need to leave a line, I can say new line, again I want to leave a line, and then I can say another line. That's my closing string, and if I print that, you can see I have another, then new line, then another. So after n I used space that was printed here, and again here that was printed here. So that means if I need to leave a line, I need to use /n. If I want to just leave a line but I don't want to print that, I need to use just backslash. Now let us take some real example and do the fun. What if I need to take some directory address? Let me create a new variable and here store my directory address, that is C drive, and then I need to get it to download folder, and then I need to put it into Node.js suppose. If I do that and if I try to print this particular directory, you will be shocked to see that there is some mistake. Here you can see I printed C, then download, and now /n is termed as escape character. So they left a new line and then Node.js. So here if I want to skip this, all I have to do is use /. So that means if I use /, it would be printed as /. And if I print my directory now, you can see I printed it correctly. So to avoid the functionality of /n, I have to use // to indicate my interpreter that I am not using /n. Same follows with different functionalities. Suppose I need to use some quotation mark inside my string. Let me take a new string. Suppose I want to write something like John said and then hello to me. So here my main string was John said hello to me, but if I need to use these quotation, that would give me error at this point of time. So here I cannot use 2 quotation mark in a single string. If I need to use them, all I have to do is use a backslash. So all I have to do is add a backslash. That means it would give a reference to our Python interpreter that don't consider it as the ending quotation. Now if I do that, there is no error, and if I try to print my new string, you can see John said, then the quotation mark hello to me. What if you can say that I should use single string instead of double. Yeah, you can do that and you will get no error. So if I do that and then print, yeah, that is absolutely fine. But what if I'm using single quotation mark and I want to use that quotation mark inside my string also? So suppose take example as my pen, and if I just want to write as Shubham's pen. So here you can see I cannot use this particular slash n, it would give me an error. If I want to do that, all I have to use is backslash and then I can use quotation mark. If I do that, I've got no error and then I can print that. You can see that's working. So these are escape characters. We have slash for new line, we have double slash to display a single slash, we have slash quotation mark to display a single quote, we have slash double quotation mark, that means to display a double quote, we have backslash n, that is for new line, and we also have some other like backslash b for backspace, backslash r for enter, and then v and t for horizontal tab and vertical tab. So these are really useful and you should keep them in mind.